from here. My name is Ruth Patricia, and I'm going to show you the output that I have learned from my online MBA class. So it's all about the email management. So I will show you here how to label those emails. So for example, you are handling a client's general email. So how are you going to properly label this email or workloads of email in order to uh, prevent data lost and for you to find it easily? So just click this one, add label, for example, and you're going to add a certain folder about your for example, the MBA online course. So that would be your folder. Let's just say, for example, so here it is. We've successfully created that one, and then we're going to label that one into this kind of color for us to look at easily. So all the emails that related to this one way will be put in here. So for example, this one, so this and this search here, for example, let's just say this one, we wanted to forward it into uh move it into a certain folder. So that one, for let's just say that one here, uh that one here, and we wanted to forward it into, label it into the certain folder, for example, the MBA online course. So from that one, we can easily find it here. So that's it. So we're going to label each email into its designated folders. And another one is, for example, this one belongs to the, let's just say, for example, that it belongs to this root file. So that's it. As you can see, when I click this one, then the Calendly will be put in here. So that is the proper labeling of folders according to, that's the proper way of labeling the email and putting a label on it to prevent data loss. So what about the stars in here? What is the purpose of stars in here? Stars in here will be used to categorize each email according to what does it imply. So how are we going to put the color here or to enable the color here in the stars when we're going to click this one? So we have to go into our settings, then CO settings. Then after that, try to look at the stars button here. We have to make sure that we select the all stars option for us to have so many options in choosing the star. So the explanation to that is for us to have selection, especially when we have so many emails approaching, and we need to have a um, clear labeling into that email. So that's it. How about when we have a vacation and we would like to inform the client that we are out and we can respond to them through email? So this is the vacation responder settings. We have to click this one and then CO settings and just click on the try to find the vacation responder. So here, let's just search it here, the vacation responder. So when we find it that uh, vacation responder setup here, so we need to click this one responder here, because when we click this one, this is off. We have to click this one, then add a specific date that we are out of the country or out of the uh, or we are in vacation. Then after that, click the day when it's gonna be you will resume. Then after that, so your subject is vacation leave, then add the information here that you want to be put on into your designated, enter your client, then save the changes. So that's it. As you can see, you have the vacation lead set up, in which when the clients wanted to respond to you and you're out of that for vacation, then there's a vacation setup that will eventually message to them that you are out of the country. So that's it. Another way also of responding those email here, especially which one would be uh, respond ahead of time, is by using the Eisenhower decision matrix, by uh, responding to whose come first serve, or whose email approach first within that day, then we're going to, let's just say that this one is the first one, so click that one and respond to it. So that is also the use of the Eisenhower decision matrix. So that is how are you going to use email management, especially when you're going to have a client someday as a VA. And thank you.